This here's the Tractor Man. And today, we're fixing to go on a train ride. Well, hell yeah, everybody likes a train. Well, today, we're going to get the conductor. He's going to take us for a ride. Well, hell yeah, everybody likes a train ride. Well, excuse me. Well, this here train's gonna take us all the way through town. Before you know it, we'll be on the other side of town. Hell yeah. Well, I gotta go to the bathroom, everybody, so you enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you later. And this here's the Tractor Man. See ya.